Hello students, let us discuss the next question. This question is from the year 2024. The Northeastern Council was established by the Northeastern Council Act of 1971. Subsequent to the amendment of the Northeast Council Act in 2002, the council comprises of which of the following members? So the question is asking us about who are all the members of the Northeast Council. The governors of the constituent state, the chief minister of the constituent state, 3 members to be nominated by the President, Home Minister of India. Select the correct answer using the code given below. So we'll see how we could solve this question in the exam conditions. If you recall correctly, the Northeast Council is an advisory body which was actually established under this Northeastern Council Act of 1971. And the main purpose is the council will have certain members who are the governors of the constituent states, the chief ministers, and the members nominated by the president, so that they can advise about the development of the Northeast region. Here, when we say Northeast region, it includes the 7 Northeastern states and Sikkim. So total for the 8 states, they will give various suggestions about the implementations of different development measures. So the members of the council are the governors of the respective constituent states and the chief minister of the constituent states and the members who are nominated by the president. The president will nominate 3 members. So this is also correct, but the home minister is not part of this members. So the correct answer is 1, 2 and 3. Now let us look at the in-depth explanation for this question. Like I already said, the Northeast Council is a nodal agency for mainly focusing on the economic development and the social development of the Northeast region. It consists of the 8 states, the Northeastern states along with the Sikkim. This was in fact constituted in the 1971 Act of Parliament, that is the NEC Act, also known as the Northeastern Council Act of 1971. But the actual functioning of the council started from 1972. Remember, this is not a constitutional body because this is a statutory body established under this act. In future, you might get questions saying that the Northeast Council, which was established, is a constitutional body. It is not. Also, it is an advisory body. The advice given by this council, it is not binding in nature. It is just advisory in nature. And the members of NEC are the governors of the respective states, the chief ministers of the respective states, and the members, 3 members who are nominated by the president. Also, the chairman will be nominated by the President of India. So here you can see that nowhere there is a mention of Home Minister of India. Hence, Home Minister will be wrong. And what are the functions of this Northeastern Council? Mainly they are concerned about the socio and economic development of Northeast region, and they will meet and discuss about the common issues and interest which are there for the Northeastern region. It can be concerning the interstate transport, it can be about the interstate communication, or it can be about the flood control projects or the power projects which are of common interest to few states, and how we should go for a balanced development of the Northeastern region. Apart from that, they would also come up with a unified and coordinated regional plan as a whole. They'll have individual state specific plans. Apart from that, the states will coordinate and they'll come up with a unified regional plan so that the entire Northeast region as a region can also be developed. And when it comes to a particular project or scheme, and if it is benefiting few or more states, then they will recommend how the implementation procedure should happen, and if there is expenditure on it, how the state should share the expenditure, who should pitch in more amount, who should pitch in less amount. All this will be discussed by that particular council. And also the review process of the expenditure, any surveys of the projects to be done, any investigations about the projects to be done, and what is the review mechanism for maintaining of this expenditure, all of this. And apart from that, what are all the review measures which are taken for the maintenance of security and public order in the Northeast region. These are all the functions and mandate of the Northeast Council. So coming back to our question, nowhere in the members the Home Minister is mentioned, hence option 4 is wrong. So option 4 is there in all other statements. 1, 2 and 3 is the correct answer for this question.